Hello, I got a new drone from the service center after mine was not repaired under warranty, and now I will show you how to connect the drone to the old controller. Press on Connect to Aircraft. Choose a drone model. The drone does not want to connect, so you have to click on Unable to connect to aircraft. Press and hold power button for 4 seconds until drones start to flash and press aircraft beeped. Now press pair and wait until the devices connect. The devices are now connected, just press agree and then done. New firmware is available, you can make upgrade. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.